According to a recent study published by International Labour Organization in India, 22.3% people face unemployment every year. An analysis of the shortfall indicates: firstly, lack of awareness at the entry-level job seekers' end. Secondly, lack of a common platform for both entry-level job seekers and employers. And thirdly, the lack of post-placement assistance to employed candidates. Though there are agencies or organizations to take care of the medium and high-level jobs, there is no medium at the entry level for the same. Employers does not have access to any forum to meet their entry-level massive requirements, since their attrition rate is on an average is over 30% monthly. Also, there is no one who continues to guide and counsel the beneficiaries once they join a job for their professional growth and better social lives. The problem has been further aggravated by outbreak of COVID-19, as a result of which many individuals have lost their jobs, and there is a dire need to further help these individuals get linked to jobs to improve their lives and livelihoods. Young job-seeking people will not have to face these challenges anymore. Development Alternatives is an NGO established in the year 1982, has a mission to create sustainable livelihoods at scale and envisions to have a world where every citizen can live a secure, healthy, and fulfilling life in harmony with nature. Bridge2Naukri Platform is launched by Development Alternatives to bridge the gap between unemployed youth and suitable employers. Through the medium of our website, mobile application, a network of employers, training partners, and the common job seekers. The website and mobile application are developed both in Hindi and English language for the ease of understanding and usage. In addition to facilitate a job seeker and employer connect, we have introduced a call center service, IVR toll-free. Bridge2Naukri, a unique comprehensive real-time digital platform, provides a one-stop solution to active job seekers and employers. This platform provides robust placement and post-placement assistance as well as training facilities to the people who are seeking employment opportunities and helps employers to get trained candidates. The digital platform allows employers to post available vacancies and identify prospective candidates for a particular job profile. Simultaneously, candidates can search and apply for suitable employment opportunities on the platform and track their placement status. A toll-free number 011-4230-4614 made available through our call center and chat box option on website. Employers, young people to register on website or mobile application and access online counseling and information on various job sectors. This facility also provides assistance in linkage with livelihood opportunities besides answering any queries related to the portal and its various components. Bridge2Naukri Platform helps job seekers to explore job opportunities in various sectors including retail, IT or ITs, banking, telecom, tourism, hospitality, etc. Besides providing access to job opportunities, the website helps in empowering job seekers through training by the innovative e-learning curriculum on livelihood preparedness, personality development, soft skills, interview readiness, vocational training, etc. The e-learning curriculum has been drafted with keeping job seekers in mind. We have prepared videos in Hindi language with English subtitles. This makes video easily understandable to a large group. The language of video is very easy and understandable. No difficult words of either English or Hindi has been used in videos. The topics that are included in the video are basic and relevant for our young job seekers. We have included topics like how to make email ID, how to make resume, tips for interview, importance of confidence, etc. The e-curriculum gives the necessary information which a job seeker requires to gain and sustain in a job. The objective of this curriculum is to train them in important skills they need for a job. Job seekers can also get in touch with Bridge2Naukri through social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. While Bridge2Naukri online platform provides placement services, Development Alternatives also runs skill development centers for practical or online training in various locations of India. So, what are you waiting for? Register now on the Bridge2Naukri website and mobile app immediately, or call us on our toll-free number 011 4230 4614.